Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python-SQL practical series. Before beginning, just a small suggestion. For better visibility and understanding, switch to full screen mode while watching the video and turn on the captions. So our practical number 3 is to write a Python program to input 3 numbers and display the largest or smallest number. So to start with, I will first go to my browser. I will open a new sheet and then I will just type Google Colab and just open Colab and then new notebook. I will rename my file as practical number 3. Practical number 3. Write a Python program to input 3 numbers and display the smallest and largest number. First I will input our first number. I will take num1. I will use input function. I will enter my first number, enter the first number. Num2. Again input function. Then again I will write enter the second number. Then num3. Since we have to enter 3 numbers, I will take 3 variables num1, num2, num3. So again I will write enter the third number. I can take the single quotation, double quotation, any one of them. I'm just taking double quotation here. Since num1, num2 and num3 will be an integer value or either a float value, so we have to write int or float in front before this input function. So if I take int here, right, for now, and then again I take int here, and now if I take int here, now I have to find the largest number. To find the largest number, I will use a max function. So I will write like largest and I will use max of num1, num2, and num3. Similarly, to find the small number, I will use minimum function num1, num2, num3. So now I have to display the functions, right? So to display the function, display the largest and smallest number. I will use this print method. Print the largest number is, so I can just write largest here, and then again I print the smallest number, smallest. So let's execute this program by pressing shift plus enter, or you can simply click on this play button. Okay, so let's execute this program. So it is at connecting. It will take some time. So currently I'm getting the syntax error. It is an invalid text. So here you can find where the error is. So here is the error. The largest number is. So I have put this colon after this inverted comma. So I have to change it. So if I make this change, now if I try to re-execute it by pressing shift plus enter, again I'm getting some one more error. So large. This is the largest number is. Okay. Okay, so here I have to put a comma here, and similarly I have to put a comma here too. So now if I print this, one more error is coming. Here I have done the same mistake. So now we have this our enter the first number. So if I write 40, enter the second number. If I write 50, then I will and enter the third number. If I write 60, then I will get the largest number is 60 and the smallest number is 40. Okay, but what if I give some decimal? If I re-execute this program, and if I write like 40.5, so it will give an error. The reason being, I have just used this int method. So in int method, only integer will be allowed. So for that, in these cases, what we have to do, if we get any decimal number, we have to and if we use this int function, then we will get an error. So to eliminate the error, we have to use this float function. Now if I this float, so let's do one thing. I will just simply int here. Okay, and let's write 40, 50, 60. 40 enter the first number, 50 enter the second number, 60 enter the third number. Okay, so the largest number is 60 and 40. So what will I do? I will just simply copy this and paste it here. and I will just replace the int in float. So if I just replace int by float, and if I re-execute this by pressing shift plus enter, so now if I enter 40.5, then it is allowing us to enter the decimal also. So if I enter 55.7, if I allow 63.3, is 6.3. So let's see. So the largest number is 66.3 and smallest number is 40.5. So in this way we can find out the largest and smallest number out of three numbers. And just remember, in float method you can use integer also, but in integer you cannot use the float. Okay. So if I suppose re-execute this program, and if I write this number like 40, it is an integer value, 50, and again 60. Since it is an integer value and I'm putting it here in float, okay. But if I press enter, then it is taking some time. So the largest number is 60.2. So we are getting a float here, 60.0 and 40.0. So we can conclude that float works on integer and float both, but integer works on integer only, not on float. So this is in the practical number 3. We will meet in the practical number 4. Thank you for attending.